Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A luxury bathroom is more than just a functional space, it's a place designed for comfort, relaxation, and everyday enjoyment. Thoughtful layouts, premium materials, elegant lighting, and refined details can transform an ordinary bathroom into a private retreat that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. In this video, explore a collection of modern luxury bathroom design ideas, from stunning statement features to smart design solutions that combine beauty, functionality, and timeless appeal. Statement bathtubs often serve as the centerpiece of a luxury bathroom. Their sculptural forms instantly draw attention while creating a sense of elegance and relaxation. Freestanding designs, whether sleek and minimalist or softly curved, can add a refined focal point that elevates the entire space. Positioned near a window, beneath a feature wall, or surrounded by carefully selected materials, a statement bathtub helps create a calming, spa-inspired atmosphere that feels both inviting and sophisticated. Walk-in showers have become a defining feature of modern luxury bathrooms, combining style, comfort, and functionality. Frameless glass enclosures help create an open and seamless appearance, allowing the beauty of surrounding materials to take center stage. Large format tiles can enhance the sense of space while reducing visual clutter, creating a clean and sophisticated look. Features such as rainfall shower heads, handheld fixtures, built-in niches, and integrated bench seating add convenience while transforming the shower into a relaxing retreat designed for everyday comfort. Luxury vanity designs play a key role in defining both the style and functionality of a modern bathroom. Floating vanities create a light, open feel while enhancing the sense of space. Natural stone countertops such as marble or quartz add a refined and timeless touch, bringing subtle texture and elegance to the room. Double sink layouts offer practical convenience without compromising design, while integrated storage solutions help maintain a clean and organized appearance. Carefully chosen fixtures and finishes complete the look, adding a polished and cohesive feel to the overall space. Beautiful materials and textures are what give a luxury bathroom its depth, character, and timeless appeal. Smooth marble surfaces bring a sense of elegance, while natural wood accents introduce warmth and balance. Subtle textured wall finishes can add visual interest without overwhelming the space, creating a refined backdrop for the overall design. The combination of matte and polished elements helps achieve contrast, making the space feel layered and thoughtfully composed. When materials are carefully selected and harmonized, the bathroom feels both inviting and visually sophisticated. Layered lighting is essential for creating a truly luxurious, hotel-inspired bathroom atmosphere. A well-balanced design combines different light sources to achieve both function and ambience. Backlit mirrors provide soft, even illumination that enhances daily routines while adding a modern touch. Recessed ceiling lights ensure overall brightness without visual clutter, while accent lighting can be used to highlight architectural details or key design features. When these layers work together, the bathroom feels warm, inviting, and carefully composed, especially during evening hours when a softer mood is desired. Smart storage and organization are essential for maintaining the clean and elegant look of a luxury bathroom. Hidden storage solutions help keep everyday essentials out of sight, creating a clutter-free environment that feels calm and refined. Built-in shelving and recessed cabinets make efficient use of space while blending seamlessly into the design. Well-organized vanity drawers ensure that items are easy to access without disrupting the overall aesthetic. When storage is thoughtfully planned, the bathroom remains both highly functional and visually balanced. Design details are what truly elevate a bathroom from simply modern to genuinely luxurious. Carefully chosen mirrors can enhance both light and space, with oversized or uniquely shaped designs adding a subtle sense of personality. Coordinated hardware and fixtures create a consistent visual language, helping the space feel intentional and refined. Even small decorative elements, such as minimal accessories, soft textures, or natural greenery, contribute to a more balanced and inviting atmosphere. When these finishing touches are thoughtfully combined, they bring depth, character, and a sense of quiet sophistication to the entire room. As we wrap up, modern luxury bathroom design comes down to a careful balance of comfort, functionality, and refined aesthetics. From statement bathtubs and walk-in showers to elegant vanities, layered lighting, smart storage, and subtle finishing details, each element plays a role in creating a space that feels both practical and visually inspiring. When these ideas come together, the bathroom becomes more than just a daily use area. It becomes a calm, elevated retreat. If you enjoyed these design ideas, explore more inspiration with HD interiors and stay tuned for more timeless interior concepts.